Hello friends, once again welcome to a new video from Health and Techie. Today I am going to show you how to grow your roses faster using a tip. You can use used eggshells as well as washed and dried tea leaves for growing your roses faster. Using this technique you can grow rose plants very quickly and you can have more rose flowers on your plant as well. For this you have to dry these eggshells and you have to powder them. You can powder them with your hand. Now I am going to dry these eggshells to get it more finer, and after that I am going to grind them into fine powder. Now I am grinding the eggshells to make a fine powder. You have to make this fine as the tea leaves you are using. I am using one of the traditional method to grind the eggshells. You can use any other methods to grind and make this into a fine powder. You can also use mixer from your home also. Now what I am going to do is collect this into a separate container. You can see now the eggshells are really finer. Now what I am going to do is mix the same amount of the used tea leaves into the prepared eggshell powder, and I am going to mix them thoroughly with my hand. You have to mix them really well like this until you get a fine powder like this. This powder can be used for any flowering plants. Okay, now our powder is ready. Now what I am going to do is I am going to apply this to your rose plant. You have to watch it until the end. Okay, now this is my rose plant. I am going to put the powder in the bottom of this plant. You have to fertilize your rose plant like this at least once in a month, so you can get quicker growth to your rose plants, as well as it will yield more and more flowers on your plant. This is how you have to apply the fertilizer or the mix to your rose plant. Believe me friends, this is a very good technique to grow your roses faster, and you have to really try this at your home. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in our comment section. Thank you.